guys, it's Mitchell with Whiteline Performance. Today I'm going to show you the reason why you would want some adjustable end links on your vehicle, whether it's at a normal factory ride height or a lowered ride height. Today we're going to be working on a 2017 Civic Si, but this will apply to basically any car with a front or rear sway bar. So let's go into the vehicle and I'll show you how to install these. All right, so some of the benefits that you're gonna get with an adjustable heavy duty end link is you're gonna be able to add or negate some preload on the sway bar. With a more heavy duty link, you're actually gonna get a little bit more of an effective bar rate curve than you would with the stock links. There's a little bit of loss of energy there. Especially when you lower the car, you're gonna need a shorter end link to be able to bring back that correct geometry with the sway bar as well. All right, as you can see, we have both links on the workbench. This is the OEM link, this is the Whiteline heavy duty adjustable. We are going to adjust the Whiteline link to get as close as possible to the OEM link. And then once this is done, we'll get back on the vehicle and then we'll adjust accordingly. You're gonna wanna not completely lock up the lock nuts, but get them kind of snug so just the link doesn't move on you. All right, and then we're gonna go back under the car and install this. Okay, now we're back underneath the vehicle. We are going to install the link. This car is actually lowered on our Whiteline springs. So the customer wanted to keep the stock sway bar for now. So this is a good example that you can use our adjustable end links with an OEM bar. So one of the final steps is to load up the suspension before you lock all the jam nuts and the center locking on the end links. You can do this at home with drive up ramps, or like what we have here is a lift with wheel stands. So now that we're done with the end link install, go ahead and go for a test drive, and at about 100 miles, come back and check all the torque specs on the links, make sure they're all good. Again, do this with the suspension loaded. That's the most critical part. I know we're a little privileged here with a lift and the wheel stands, but you can definitely do this at home in your garage or on your driveway with some roll-up ramps, chocks, whatever you can use. Key thing is making sure the suspension is loaded. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and check the website for more details on getting the adjustable end links for your specific vehicle. And as always, stay grip activated.